The Skerper Pocket Stone, a two-side sharpening stone that is a great tool to have in your daily EDC or backpack. It easily fits in your hand and is about the size of a 91mm Swiss Army knife, as you see in this comparison. I also have a Wüsthof Classic Icon 20cm chef knife to see the difference. So yeah, I would recommend this sharpening stone for smaller size pocket knives. There are two sides, a ceramic one and a diamond one. You have a 360 grit and a 1000 grit to sharpen your knife. There are many ways to sharpen your blade using this stone. This is just an example of one of the methods. Finding the right angle and go. Give it a couple of strokes. And turn your blade to the other side. You can also put your stone on a steady surface and pushing it down with one hand while sharpening your blade with the other hand. After hitting it a few times on the diamond surface, make sure to sharpen the other side with the 1000 grit as well, so it will be as sharp as possible. After just hitting it a few times on the stone, I'm already capable of cutting through this paper. You can also sharpen larger kitchen tools or axes if you feel comfortable. And again, there are multiple ways of doing so. And when it comes down to what I like about this stone, I think it's the perfect size for a pocket stone. It's small and doesn't weigh that much, and without being too small, this is probably the perfect size. The performance is also very good. You can easily sharpen smaller pocket knives or kitchen knives on this stone, and it is an easy fit in your EDC pouch or backpack to travel with you. And last but not least, the quality. With two sides you have a 360 grit and a 1000 grit. You can feel the higher quality put in this stone. And this was my full review on the Skerper pocket stone. I'm very excited to hear your thoughts on this great pocket stone, so please let me know it in the comments. And make sure to subscribe and to get notified, and I will see you in my next review.